On this design, there are notches not only on the verticals, but also on the horizontals here. So what you'll see is that if we look at these, they are notched. And if you look at these, they are notched as well. That will make it so when you CNC or laser cut it, they will intersect here, and it will be an easy way to fabricate this. So I'll be also sharing how to take your design and use Open Nest with it. This will let you unroll and flatten your surfaces and then put them on a sheet. So I'll be going over those steps here. Let me know if you have any questions, and if you want to download the script, go to my website, compettidavid.com. You'll be able to download this script completely for free so you see how it works. So thank you very much for being here, and let's get into it.